Now, the next array we are going to cover is the order block. This will probably be most people's favorite episode, right? So, OB, so a bullish order block is characterized by the lowest down close candle prior to bullish displacement. And the opposite is true for a bearish order block, the highest up close candle before bearish displacement. What is displacement? Right, displacement is an energetic move in one direction and always leaves an imbalance. An order block is considered valid only if an imbalance is made straight after the order block. Those are the only order blocks we care about, right? Has to create a fair value gap for a displacement to be valid. So you see these candles here, obviously not displacement, right? This move here is displacement. Yeah, this move would also be considered displacement because there is a fair value gap left. So we have an energetic move. Now, before a move, the last green candle before the move down will be your order block. Okay. So before this move up, this down close candle would be an order block. And you do see that price did react off of this level, right? But it was seeking sell side liquidity, so it does disrespect bullish arrays. See how price comes back up to tag the order block and then continues down. This is prime example of how they work, right? You see how price does respect these arrays when it is targeting the opposing liquidity. Same thing for bullish, right? See how this was an energetic move up. This is displacement. This candle here is the order block because it is the last down close candle before the move up. Okay, now let's use our imaginations here. Let's imagine this candle, there was two more candles after it looked exactly like that. This would be your breaker block, order block. Sorry, I've done all these videos. It was about one after the other. I'm getting so many blocks confused with each other. All right, and see how this large move down? This would be your bullish order block. Okay, if that makes sense, right? So now that you're starting to learn some arrays, you need to make sure that you're going out and obviously finding them and familiarizing yourself with them. I try to make these videos as short and concise as I can. I don't like to ramble on. I like to get to the point, show you some examples, and then end it there because I know most people's attention spans these days aren't what they used to be. So keeping them short and concise, but you need to do the other half of the promise, right? You need to go out and take action. Okay. Remember that time frame is fractal. All these arrays are found on every single time frame. You will find an order block on the weekly. You will find it on the daily, on the 5-minute, etc. But I'll repeat myself over and over again because it's crucial you study outside of these videos, right? We are going to start going into the power of pairing two arrays. You may have seen it like maybe 2 episodes ago where we paired the breaker block with a fair value gap. Okay, that makes for a nice setup. But yeah, we'll get more into that. I'm just quickly going to show you guys what I mean. So we can agree that this is displacement, right? A very energetic move in one direction. This is the last candle, okay? Mark it out. Now price obviously did not get to it. It will not get to it every time. You need to see what makes sense and what doesn't, right? There is a mitigation block here. But this is an order block, okay? Let's look for some more. Because you will find them everywhere. Here's another block. Now, same again with all the other blocks. If you have two consecutive up close candles before the move down, you can consider both of them. Okay. Again, price did have a reaction off this level, but it was seeking buy side liquidity, right? Again here, before the large move up, these are trapped sellers. Hopefully that might clear up for you lot. There's another one. There's another one before the move down. They are everywhere. They are literally everywhere. Everywhere you find displacement, you will find a order block. Okay, order block here. You can find it on the daily, right? Order block here. Order block here. Before this move up. They are everywhere. Okay.